if you don't know English, your life become a cage birds. It birds have two wings, but birds cannot fly because the birds are confined with the barrier, which is cage. You understand, brother?
Yeah, yeah. I
Maybe
got you.
perhaps you have ability, you have good at something, but you don't know English. Your life become cage bird. You will not be productive. You will not able to grow yourself, enlarge yourself. Okay, this is my opinion about the importance of English. So,
Yeah.
brother, where are you from?
So I'm from Indonesia. We are neighbor.
Like which part?
Yes, I'm
Bali,
Indonesian.
Bali, Sumatra, or Jakarta?
Near with Bali, it's small island, Surabaya,
Surabaya. Okay, okay, okay.
the second big city. After Jakarta is Surabaya.
Yeah, I know Indonesia
Yeah,
are made of many separated island. I mean land.
I agree with you. How for you to finding job in Bangladesh or easy?
Mm, it's very difficult to get a better job in Bangladesh because Bangladesh is overpopulated country and we have huge people. According to people, we have no enough job, and that's why the rate of unemployment is increasing. Despite they completed their graduation, you know, there is no
Yeah, I know.
perfect uh, capacity to get into job easily. It's very hard. We have to work hard to get a job.
Oh, it's like India, yeah.
Yeah,
India also
India.
populate.
Tell me the condition. I mean, job sector in Indonesia.
Indonesia also have problem like you. Yeah,
Same like Bangladeshi.
maybe more bad.
More bad. Oh, so sad. So
Yeah,
sad.
like for here we should pay. Like to be army, to be police. It's not free. It's pay. Yeah, and it's too much, bro. Like $50,000.
Oh, they took bravery.
Yeah,
Oh, no, no, no. That's unwanted.
yeah. I know that. That's why the army have a high position. They will be rich, very rich.
Yeah, brother. From my opinion, everyone is elected by examination.
Yeah,
You have to select, the government of Indonesia have to select anyone by examination.
we cannot do it because the system of president here it's like kingdom.
Kingdom,
Really?
autocracy. I know autocracy.
Yeah, they make their son to be president also. Oh my God, we cannot think.
Yeah, like they have to put their son in a president chair or some top level chair, despite they have no ability.
Yeah, exactly. I don't like it too much. It's very bad, very poor.
Yeah, like